How to get an Instacart free trial. Instacart offers new users the opportunity to experience their grocery delivery service through a 14-day free trial of Instacart Plus, formerly known as Instacart Express. This membership provides benefits like unlimited $0 delivery fees on orders over a certain amount. Here's how you can start your free trial. Step 1. Sign up for an Instacart account. Visit the Instacart website or download the Instacart app. Create a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. Step 2. Initiate the Instacart Plus free trial. After logging in, navigate to the Instacart Plus page. Click on the option to start your 14-day free trial. Step 3. Enter payment information. Provide a valid payment method to activate the free trial. Note that you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 4. Enjoy Instacart Plus benefits. During the 14-day trial, enjoy benefits like unlimited $0 delivery fees on eligible orders. Remember that service fees and other charges may still apply. Step 5. Manage your subscription. Before the trial ends, decide if you want to continue with a paid Instacart Plus membership. If you choose not to continue, cancel the subscription in your account settings to avoid automatic charges. Alternative offers, MasterCard promotion. Eligible MasterCard holders can receive a 2-month free trial of Instacart Plus. Details are available on the MasterCard offer page. Costco partnership. Costco members may access a reduced annual Instacart Plus membership fee or a free trial. Information can be found in the Instacart Help Center. By following these steps, you can explore Instacart services and determine if Instacart Plus aligns with your grocery delivery needs.